Here is how to quickly create a WhatsApp sticker for free. Open the Play Store app. Search for Sticker Maker by Stickify. Now choose this app right here by Stickify. Now open the app. Click here. Click this plus sign at the bottom without wasting so much time. Let's do it. Now choose either normal or animated. Animated is for your videos which you want to turn into stickers, and normal is for your photos which you want to turn into stickers. So first let's go with animated. Now choose one of your video. For instance, this one. Now you can set it to any shape you want. So I'm going to use square here. You can raise this above to capture where you want it to be. Now click save. And so now after that you have to add text or edit some stuff. But if you don't want to do that, you can click save. But let's add text. So you can type something like really and then put a question mark. And you can change fonts with this place. So let's use this one and then click done. You can enhance the size, you can make it bigger or smaller depending on what you want to use it. Now click save. And now your sticker is made. So click save sticker. Click on animated pack. Let's edit the name. You can change the author's name, which is your name. You can add any name you want it to be. Let's name it Hank. Now click add to WhatsApp. Click add. Now it's added to WhatsApp, which you can go to WhatsApp and edit your sticker and post it to use it for fun.